Hello TEQ crypto followers, welcome to our video. Today, we will be doing a technical analysis of Monero coin. As you can see, the price movements are fluctuating within the triangle. Therefore, we have not yet identified a support zone below. The reason we haven't identified a support zone yet is because the primary focus is for the price movements to touch the purple line here. This is the support zone for the triangle. Additionally, the level of $134 that we have drawn is important in the past. This is because it has approximately 4 touches, and if the rising trend is broken downwards, the first target will be the level of $134. Furthermore, we want to break the downward trend above. In fact, we can say that the structure here also resembles a descending triangle. However, we can see that there is a short-term rising second trend from the dotted purple line here. If we look at the dotted purple line, if the price movements hold on to this point, then the downward trend will have already broken upwards and the price movements will rise up to the level of $165. However, if the dotted rising trend is broken downwards, then our primary support zone will be the actual rising trend support zone, which will be the level of $134 if it is broken. Looking at our upper resistances, firstly, it is important for us to break the $165 resistance level upwards. However, if this level is broken upwards, the $188 level will be even more important for us. If that level is broken upwards, our interpretations based on the previous trends or formations will be more accurate. But if these two resistances are broken one after the other, we can anticipate that a trend may begin, and a bullish trend may begin. Now, let's start our analysis from our indicators slowly. If we look at the Fisher indicator, Fisher is giving us a slight sell signal with the downward movement it creates at around 0.64 level, and we can see that the downward trend has already continued in price movements. The price movements have been falling for the past 3 days. If we look at our Fisher interpretation, the further away from zero the break is, the stronger the break will be. So, even if the price movements do not fall, we may still see declines in Fisher. Because as it seems, the bottom was formed around May 8th, and the current price movements are not even at the bottom of that break. Therefore, the further away from zero the upward break is, the stronger a lower signal it will have given. We can make our Fisher interpretation in this way. Now let's look at our RSI indicator. As we can see, RSI is moving at the 50 level. It has a close contact with the 50 level. But we can see that it has moved below the 50 level in recent days with the fall in price movements. The RSI 50 level is important because if the RSI 50 level is broken upwards, we can interpret it as a slight buy signal and expect a rise in price movements. Moreover, if it falls down to the 30 level, we can also expect it to break the dotted rising trend and fall down to the lower rising trend. We can also interpret it in this way. So, if we cross above the RSI 50 level, it is likely that we will see a good rise in price movements. However, if it drops to 30 and starts moving upwards, it could provide us with a better buying opportunity and potentially higher profit margins. Therefore, this is also important. Additionally, looking at our WAVE trend indicator, it appears to be showing a slight sell signal with a downward break below zero. We can say that if an upward break does not occur, the price movements could continue to decline. So, the indicators are actually providing us with similar comments. Finally, if we look at the moving averages, the price movements have broken below the 200-day moving average for the past 2 to 3 days. If we want the upward trend to begin, we can say that it urgently needs to break above the 200-day moving average. Of course, what I said is valid for the long term. In the short term, price movements need to break above the 8 and 20-day moving averages. This is still important for us in the short term. We have already shared our support and resistance levels with you. If we look at the recent volume of decline, we can say that it is average. Therefore, we cannot make a clear interpretation of the trend based solely on volume. However, as we said, the triangle here is important for us. If we look at how long it will last, we can say that there are about 37 to 38 days left. This is for the end of the rising or falling trend in the triangle. Therefore, the next month is important for us. In this 1-month period, the large triangle here will break upwards or downwards. Looking at the triangle in the short term, we can say that we have about 10 days left. We can even say that it is about 7 to 8 days left. Therefore, the next week is important for the fate of the small triangle here. Let's say that and come to the end of our video. In this video, we shared the technical analysis of Monero coin with you. If you liked the video, you can click the like button. You can also subscribe to our channel to be informed about future videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.